One of the most significant pieces of evidence comes from a retail box image that has been circulating across social media platforms. This image appears to show the DJI Mini 5 Pro packaged alongside the DJI RC2 controller, a premium handheld unit with a built-in display. The configuration is labeled as the Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2, reinforcing coverage from well-known drone industry leaker Jasper Ellens. The box art clearly showcases the folded Mini 5 Pro next to the RC2 controller, a pairing that would give buyers a complete, ready-to-fly solution without the need for a separate smartphone or tablet. This integrated display approach is favored by many drone pilots for its convenience, reduced setup time, and optimized screen brightness for outdoor use. The packaging details also reveal something equally exciting: a notable endurance upgrade. On the front face of the box, a printed runtime specification reads 52 minutes x3, a clear Fly More style reference to the inclusion of 3 batteries, each capable of delivering up to 52 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. If accurate, this would mark a significant jump over previous mini-series battery performance, giving pilots much more flexibility in the field and reducing the need to carry extra charging equipment. The idea of having over 2.5 hours of total airtime in a compact, sub-250-gram package will be appealing to both hobbyists and professional creators working in remote locations. Maintaining the sub-250-gram weight classification is no small feat, especially when adding new hardware and sensors. But leaks indicate that DJI has managed exactly that. The Mini 5 Pro's body is expected to feature a C0 classification label, confirming its compliance with the lightest and most regulation-friendly category of drones under European and other global UAV rules. This means operators in many regions will be able to fly the Mini 5 Pro with fewer licensing requirements, while still enjoying the benefits of a high-end camera system and obstacle avoidance features. From a design and engineering standpoint, combining a larger image sensor, advanced sensing systems, and longer-lasting batteries in a frame that stays under this crucial weight limit is a noteworthy achievement. One of the most headline-grabbing rumored upgrades is the inclusion of a 1-inch camera sensor. While the Mini 4 Pro's smaller sensor already produced sharp, detailed images, a jump to 1 inch would put the Mini 5 Pro in an entirely different league in terms of low-light performance, dynamic range, and cinematic potential. Sources suggest that the camera will be capable of 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, opening the door to smooth slow-motion footage and higher flexibility in post-production. There is also talk of a 48mm medium telephoto mode, which would give pilots the ability to capture more intimate, compressed perspectives without physically moving the drone closer to the subject. For landscape photographers, wildlife documentarians, and travel vloggers, these capabilities could be transformative. The Mini 5 Pro is also expected to debut a forward-facing LiDAR-based obstacle detection system. While DJI's drones have long offered visual sensors for obstacle avoidance, LiDAR technology provides a new level of precision, especially in low-light or high-contrast environments where cameras can struggle. This should make the Mini 5 Pro more capable in navigating tight spaces, flying close to structures, or maintaining safer automated flight paths in complex terrain. In a sub-250-gram aircraft, this kind of sensor suite is particularly impressive, as it mirrors the capabilities usually reserved for larger and heavier drones. Compatibility with existing DJI Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro batteries is another strategic decision that will likely be welcomed by current DJI users. This continuity means that owners upgrading to the Mini 5 Pro won't have to invest in an entirely new set of batteries and charging hubs, although the new 52-minute batteries are bound to be a tempting upgrade on their own. This backward compatibility also hints that DJI has retained the same general battery form factor, even if the internals have been refined to improve capacity and efficiency. From a control standpoint, the RC2 pairing in the Fly More Combo Plus package is noteworthy. DJI's RC2 controller not only integrates a bright, high-resolution display, but also offers improved transmission performance and reduced latency compared to smartphone-based setups. This should result in a smoother live feed, better reliability in high-interference areas, and a more seamless flying experience overall. Combined with the rumored quick launch button on the Mini 5 Pro itself, a physical control on the side of the aircraft that may allow pilots to initiate takeoff without even touching the controller, this model seems tailored for fast, convenient deployment. Such a feature could be ideal for travelers who want to capture fleeting moments without going through an extensive pre-flight process. Pricing leaks suggest that the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo RC2 will retail for approximately €1,129 in Europe, translating to around $759 in the United States. This pricing is in line with what the Mini 4 Pro cost at launch, which is significant given the upgrades on offer. If DJI can deliver these features at the same entry point as the previous generation, it will be an aggressive play in a competitive market that includes rivals like the Insta360 Anti-Gravity A1. Notably, professional drone reviewers have already expressed greater excitement for the Mini 5 Pro over the Insta360 model, citing DJI's balance of portability, compliance, and image quality as decisive advantages. Speculation about the launch timeline points to mid-September 2025, bolstered by recent FCC filings and a rapid escalation of leaks, often a sign that production units are making their way into distribution channels. The fact that multiple sources, including The Verge and TechRadar, are now openly discussing the Mini 5 Pro alongside DJI's upcoming Avata 3 and Neo 2 models further suggests that an announcement is imminent. DJI seems to be entering a particularly busy release season, but the Mini 5 Pro's combination of travel-friendly weight, pro-level camera capabilities, and extended endurance makes it arguably the most universally appealing of the bunch. From a broader industry perspective, the Mini 5 Pro reinforces DJI's dominance in the sub-250-gram category. While regulations in many regions incentivize drones that fall below this weight threshold, most manufacturers have struggled to combine top-tier imaging and obstacle avoidance within such tight weight limits. DJI has repeatedly proven that it can do so without compromising build quality or usability. The Mini 5 Pro, if it lives up to these leaks, could be another example of DJI setting the benchmark that competitors will chase for years. As with any pre-release coverage, there is a degree of uncertainty until DJI officially confirms the details. However, the volume and consistency of the leaks, combined with corroboration from multiple respected sources, make it highly likely that the Mini 5 Pro will arrive with most, if not all, of these features intact. When it does, it could redefine expectations for what a compact, regulation-friendly drone can achieve, blending the freedom of lightweight classification with the performance of much larger aircraft.